Don't get me wrong, this isn't all about heat, this is about flavour. Welcome back to another show, welcome back to Al's Kitchen. If you don't know who I am, I'm a guy that specialises in making curry and teaching you how to do it. Let's cut to the chase. A few years ago I did a nice chicken pathia in 30 minutes. But you know what? As one of my most successful recipes, and I know you loved it at home, I wasn't quite happy with the method. So I'm doing it all again. Yes, this is the new improved version, if that's at all possible. Got some exciting things to tell you. I'm wearing an all new apron. This is another design in addition to the Christmas design, and these will be out very shortly. Follow my social media if you want to be able to buy one. On my Facebook, I'll leave all the details coming soon. And you never guess what? I'm so excited, I can't even contain myself. I've only gone and got my own jar of Naga pickle from Mr. Vicky's. I cannot believe this. I mean, I've got, look, it's even put my little picture on it. Look, there's me there, look, little tiny picture of me. And look, Mr. Vicky's Owl's King Naga. Now this is a little bit different from the usual one, especially formulated to perfect your curries. These should be on sale right now. If you look in the link description box below, you should be able to buy one right away. Not only will you be revolutionising your curries, you'll be helping me and putting a few pennies in my pocket so I can buy some more drinks. Look at that, Texels. Just come back from a recent trip to Amsterdam and discovered this little beauty. You should discover it too. Go and buy some. I think they sell it in some supermarkets. That's just too good. Right, let's go straight to the ingredients. Over here I've got some blended onion, and we've just boiled some onions for 10 minutes and we've blended them and we have kept the water. Here I've got some fennel seeds, some cardamom pods, some cloves, small piece of cinnamon and a star anise. Remember, this is a new improved recipe. This is going to be mind-blowing. I've got some garam masala, some mild madras curry powder or mixed powder, some diced red bell pepper, some garlic and ginger paste, some turmeric, some tandoori masala powder, some salt, some mango chutney, some tamarind, some double concentrate tomato puree, some all-important kasuri methi, some hot chilli and some mild chilli. We'll be also adding some of this Owl's King Naga. You don't have to use this one, you can use any brand that you may have, or if you don't want a hot pathia, you can leave it out altogether, so it may be suitable for all the family. Right, I'm using 100 ml of olive oil. I'll be throwing in some fresh coriander and a nice big squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Now in my last video I used chicken thighs, absolutely amazing. This time I'm going to go with chicken breast. Got to keep the plate on, I'm afraid, because the flies love chicken breast too. Should we start? Should we start the cook? Are you ready? Have you got your spatulas and your spoons? Have you got your little tinnies open? I know what you haven't got yet. You ain't got your Owl's King Naga, and you ain't got your apron with your iPhone inside. Sorry, that won't be coming with the aprons. I'm not that generous. Okay, so let's start, shall we? First of all, in goes the oil. Once you've got the oil nice and warm, we're going to throw in all of these woody spices. So that's the cinnamon, the fennel, the star anise, the cloves and the cardamoms. So let's get that in there, nice and flavoured up. Okay, so once we've flavoured up that oil with all those lovely whole spices, we're going to go in with our onion paste. This is a pathia in 30 minutes. The first 10 minutes we're going to cook this paste out. Don't worry too much about the colour. We're just going to cook it out. And I'm going to put the lid on and intermittently take the lid off and stir it to make sure it doesn't catch on the bottom. Right, so in with that onion paste, we want to add the garlic and ginger. Give that a good stir. So I'll see you in 10 minutes, and that's what I'll be doing. Remember, I'll be intermittently taking the lid off, giving it a stir, making sure it doesn't catch on the bottom. So I'll see you in 10. Okay, so we're at 9 minutes 30 seconds. Let's take a look at the onions. Cook nicely. I've been stirring this just in case they catch, and they haven't really caught. Don't be afraid to use just a splash of the onion water if you need to. We want to turn it right down now. These curries are so easy, even a 12-year-old can do this. Now we're going to add all our spices and we're going to create a nice curry paste. It's pretty thick, but that's what we're going to do. So let's put in the mild madras curry powder, garam masala, hot chili, mild chili, tandoori masala, turmeric. Make a paste out of this. It takes about 30 seconds to stir this into a paste. Now we're going to add all of the tomato paste. This is going to change the colour of the pathia. So give that a good stir. Just want to ask you, speak to a lot of people about this curry and it's called all different things. Some say Pathia, some say Pathia, Pathia. I don't think there's actually a wrong and right in it. I just want to know what you call it. So let me know in the comments. That's our paste done. Look how gorgeous this paste looks. Look at this, beautiful. You could probably freeze this. And now we're going to cover all of this chicken. So add all that chicken in, cover it in that mix. So we've been cooking it for 10 minutes so far. This is the second lot of 10 minutes. So we're going to add in all of our onion water, stir that through. And we're going to put the lid on and we're going to cook that for another 10 minutes, totaling 20 minutes cooking time. I'm going to put it onto like a medium simmer, so you just get the bubbles going. Right, so that's 20 minutes completed. I've kept the lid on and I've been intermittently stirring. Let's take a look at this curry and all of that gorgeous sauce. This is lovely gravy that you're used to getting in restaurants. Well, I'm going to leave the lid off now. This is what we call the Perfecto Zone. Now those that you've been following the channel for a little while will know what that means, but I'll tell those at home that don't know what it means. So it's the last stage of cooking where we get to perfect the curry, tailor it to how we want it, make any final adjustments after tasting it, but we're not quite ready yet as we've not put in the remaining ingredients. So we're going to add in the mango chutney. This gives the pathia that sour taste. This is Maggi brand tamarind. If you use concentrate, use it sparingly. This is the tamarind sauce. This is like a HP brown sauce with tamarind. We're going to add in the red pepper. Now you might be thinking, why didn't you add this in sooner? I don't want them to dissolve into the curry. I want them to be, you know, have a little bit of bite and be present. Going to add the salt, kasuri methi, put it in your hands and dust it into the curry just by rubbing it between the hands. This is optional, but I would love it if you did use this in your pathia. And especially if you bought mine, look at that beautiful, beautiful Naga pickle. Look at that beautiful seasoned oil in there. This is going to take the curry to another level. So I'm just going to put 1 tablespoon of this in. It smells delicious. It smells fruity. I just want to thank Adam at Mr. Vicky's for formulating this for me. It means a lot to me. And hopefully we'll get this into a lot of homes and you'll all be using it and cooking it and making fantastic curries. The Perfecto Zone has now begun. It's the final 10 minutes. I'm going to leave the lid off for this and simmer it down. Get some fresh lemon, pop the pips out and give it a good squirt. This is the final 10 and I'll see you in 10. Okay, so now we're on 28 minutes. We've got 2 minutes of the Perfecto Zone left. And this is where I like to give it a taste and then do my final assessment. A bit like wine tasting this is, except it don't taste of chocolate, walnuts, the cherry bushes, the strawberries, the mint, bologna in it. So we've got the hot, we've got the sour, we've got the savoury, but we're lacking a little bit of sweet. Hot, sweet and sour is what a pathia is. So I'm going to add just a little bit of sugar and that should do it. Final ingredient, beautiful coriander. Now I think that's just about ready to plate up. There you go, one beautiful, new and improved chicken pathia. So there's my chicken pathia, look at that, beautiful. Look at that, beautifully cooked chicken. That is a gorgeous and saucy curry. This would be absolutely amazing with a lovely chili or garlic naan. Even chips. Oh my God, that is absolutely superb. The Owls King Naga just brings this to another level. Now don't get me wrong, this isn't all about heat. This is about flavour. Fruity chilies that are used in that blend are amazing. There's a lovely chili fruitiness to this. Anyway guys, show some love, like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment in the comment section, you know I always appreciate it when you do. Don't forget to follow my next video where I'll be showing you how to make Indian restaurant sheikh kebab. Maybe some chicken tikka thrown in there as well. I'm Al and I'm out of here.